Hello everyone, and welcome to Camp Nou Vision. I've created this channel especially for all true Camp Nou fans and football lovers around the world. Here, we'll follow every stage of the new Spotify Camp Nou week after week, with the latest construction progress and exclusive updates. So, if you're a Camp Nou lover, make sure to subscribe and join us as we witness the rebirth of this legendary stadium. Now let's take a look at the latest progress around the site. We start with the Tribuna, where progress keeps moving fast. New formwork structures are being placed across the main stand. The concrete areas are expanding steadily, and connections with the lateral stands are becoming more visible each week. This section is really shaping up to be the heart of the new Camp Nou. Next to it, the parking area continues to evolve. Most panels are now closed, and workers are preparing reinforcements on the upper section. Heavy machinery is active non-stop, and it seems this zone is close to completing its structure before moving on to surface finishing soon. On the lateral side, the big change is the painting of steel brackets. Most of them are now fully coated in black, giving a finished and modern look. We can also see new prefabricated seating platforms arriving and being installed, especially on the third tier. This area shows how the new stadium design is taking real form. Over at the north goal, construction has advanced a lot. The precast floor panels now cover nearly the entire stand. Only a few gaps remain near the stairs, and once those are done, this whole section will be structurally complete. The progress here is truly impressive. In the corner section, workers are removing the last formwork panels from the recently poured concrete. The shape of the third cantilever is now fully visible, and with just a little more work, this entire corner will be structurally finished. Finally, in the diamond area, the protection net has been lifted, and workers are setting up new supports and panels. This part, which will include the future café and viewing space, is starting to look more defined every week. And that wraps up our first full update from Camp Nou Vision. The transformation of the Spotify Camp Nou is moving fast, with every section showing amazing progress and teamwork. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because we'll keep bringing you the latest views and developments straight from the Camp Nou. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.